Hello and welcome to FF News' coverage of Fintech Talents here at the brewery. And in that fashion, we are going to be making some beautiful cocktails for our cocktail conversations. And joining me here today is Josh Cogan from Finastra. Josh, how are you doing here today?
Yeah, I'm very well, thank you.
Yeah?
Very well, thank you.
Absolutely amazing. Josh, could you tell our viewers a bit more about yourself, your role at Finastra, and Finastra too?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Josh Cogan, and I'm a lead client partner for Banking as a Service at Finastra. And so for those who don't know Finastra, we're one of the largest financial software firms in the world. And we offer core banking products across our main lines of business, so payments, lending, capital markets, and universal banking.
Absolutely amazing. Well, I'm excited to learn more, but also joining us, we have Francesco from Spin and Shake. Francesco, how are you doing?
I'm very good, very good. Thank you very much. How are you guys?
Looking forward to it.
The most important man here.
Yeah, right?
I'm definitely not.
Francesco, I mean, you got to lead us in. What drink are we going to be making here today?
So today we're going to make a drink which is not really famous, though it's really, really good, which is called the elderflower face. So we're going to basically, literally just build our drink in a highball. Nice and easy. First thing first, our most important ingredient, elderflower cordial.
Can't go wrong with that.
So it's basically going to be that bottle here, and you get about 25 mils. So basically, we're going to fill up the small side of the
whole way up?
Yes, all the way up. And then we're
Okay.
going to.
There we go.
Perfect.
Just the one.
Yes, and then we're going to do the same amount with our lemon juice, because of course, I mean, we want a bit of sour.
Yeah.
So
This one doesn't have a label on it, so you don't know what's in it.
well, I do.
Okay, you do, Francesco.
It's just lemon juice. That's it.
So yeah, well, with that in mind, Josh, obviously as a core banking provider, we're now seeing institutions realize that they can't do everything in-house. You know, we're seeing banking as a service really take off, payments as a service taking off.
Yep.
Where does Finastra sit in that dynamic? That's really your core, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So at Finastra, as I said, we offer core banking solutions. We have over 8,500 financial institutions using our core software.
Wow.
And that's across 130 countries. And so when we're looking at banking as a service, we're really looking to enable those financial institutions. And we do so with our open platform, fusionfabric.cloud.
Oh,
and
brilliant.
through that, we are able to offer banking as a service capabilities to the end distribution points, which we call embedders. Yeah.
Incredible. Now, I mean, with that ecosystem in place, what's the value add that these institutions can get with using Finastra?
Well, it's two-sided really. So for the banks, they get an additional channel to distribute their financial services and products.
Yeah.
But then for the embedders, really the key point around embedded finance as a whole and the value add is, if you think about software as a service, it really enables companies all over the world to start offering online services to a global customer base. And what embedded finance and banking as a service is doing is really an extension of that. So where companies could previously just offer online services, now they can underpin those services with payments and additional financial products.
Absolutely amazing. Now, I guess we've then got to find the additional ingredients in our drink. Then.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. So now we're going to add about like 50 mils of our apple juice here. So that basically means we're going to fill up the big side of our jigger.
Right.
All the way to the top.
Oh, apologies, I've taken the...
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, we only have one left. A busy man.
There you are, Josh.
Thank you very much.
The bar is really loud, so I'm having to ask her everything twice.
Then now that we got
Amazing.
3 ingredients in, then we're going to ice up our glass.
Okay.
So here, yeah, you got your ice and ice cube all the way to the top.
Yeah.
Don't be shy with ice.
Okay.
Nice. And then, if we can, just one last ingredient, we're gonna have to top it up with lemonade.
Oh,
And that's what gives us all the fizziness. into
Now,
our
I'm
drink.
going off piste here. Could I try it with the tonic?
Soda?
I'll try it with the lemonade, though.
I think, yeah, we're gonna try with lemonade. There's no options here.
Okay, amazing. Now, obviously, you know, as we've mentioned, this new ecosystem that we've now talked about the value add that Finastra can provide.
Yeah.
But going forward, what's Finastra's part in this ecosystem? It always changes, right?
Yeah. As we see today, there's so many exciting players in the space, and the ecosystem is constantly evolving with new providers entering the market. So at Finastra, we understand that we have the core financial solutions, but we also partner with this whole ecosystem. So our role is really as the orchestrator. We like to call ourselves the orchestrators of open finance, and that is really bringing together the whole package of our core solutions at the banks and all the relevant partners.
Amazing. And just before we garnish, I want to end on a flourish and ask, we're here today at Fintech Talents.
Yeah.
What's it like being, as you said, the orchestrator of this ecosystem?
Yeah.
So when you come to events like this, how great is it to see partners, collaborators? What's it like for you?
It's amazing. Yesterday morning I moderated a panel on all things customer experience within embedded banking.
Yeah.
And on that panel we had a household name travel platform, one of the world's largest banks, a really prominent ecosystem advisor and a telecoms giant, all talking about embedded finance. So it's incredibly interesting. It's great to see the ecosystem involvement.
And it's great to hear people talking about it, because I swear maybe a couple of years ago people were just thinking it was the stuff of legend, but now we're actually seeing it really in place.
It's here, it's now, it's happening.
Amazing. Well, speaking of happening, let's see this. We've got a flourish to end it.
Yes, we just have to do one more step before the garnish, which is basically we're going to stir our drink.
Okay.
So of course, like to combine all of the ingredients.
Usually mine looks so different to everyone else's. So I'm glad that we finally orchestrated our drinks together.
Great. And then we're going to you can just pop it in there. And then we got a nice bit of lemon wedge here.
Oh, thank you very much, Josh. Here we go. You gone for the straight in. Oh, I saw one guy do it yesterday.
Oh yeah, that's
I tried,
that's
but I
excellent.
failed. Yeah. Amazing. Right. Well, cheers,
Excellent.
Josh.
Yeah,
It's been an absolute pleasure.
Absolutely.
And here's back to you,
Thank you
Francesco.
very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for having me. Thanks, Francesco.
That is good.
Delicious.
Now, brilliant. Guys, thank you so much.
Thank you very
Been an
much.
absolute pleasure. Francesco, absolutely great again.
Thanks, Francesco.
And also a big thank you to you, our viewers. You can catch the rest of the series and a lot more over at ffnews.com, of course YouTube, but especially LinkedIn, where I'm sure you'll see us three in the comments. Once, thank you again, and goodbye.